Well, this morning it's still unknown how coronavirus affects pregnant women and their babies.
All the symptoms just started to get worse and worse. I couldn't even talk without coughing. And I started having shortness of breath.
It's a topic researchers are studying closely, but don't have a lot of information on yet. Jessica Hayes is live with more on the new national registry, where researchers are trying to understand the risk to moms and their babies. Good morning, Jessica.
Hey, Nick, good morning to you. Yeah, a small number of newborns have tested positive for coronavirus. So a lot of study is going on about this right now. It's not known when it was contracted, though. Was it before birth or after birth? In fact, little is known overall about how coronavirus affects pregnancy. We're talking expectant moms and their babies. CBS News reports that new national registry is being launched by UCLA and the University of California, San Francisco. Researchers there are trying to understand COVID-19's impact, so they're enrolling pregnant or recently pregnant women with confirmed or suspected COVID-19. Researchers will collect data through pregnancy. They'll also track those mothers and babies for up to 1 year. 600 patients are already enrolled, including the woman who you just heard from. Her baby boy is due in August. She said she was careful and she was still diagnosed with COVID-19.
Actually able to get an anatomy test and a fetal echocardiogram after I had cleared the isolation period, and it all looked great. That also gives me a little bit of peace of mind.
We really want to help both physicians and women make evidence-based informed decision based on good data.
And that doctor there who's part of the study said right now they just don't have data specific to pregnancy. What they do have is from infections that may be related to COVID-19, but they're not COVID-19 specifically, or they're from people who were not pregnant. So much more to come on this. In the meantime, doctors say pregnant women should do what the rest of us do. Socially distance yourself, cover your mouth when you go out, and make sure you wash your hands throughout the day. Guys, we'll send it back to you.